A pop-up canopy is a portable shelter that provides shade and protection from the elements in your backyard, at the beach, or at a special event. With their ability to provide instant cover, pop-up canopies are a great addition to any outdoor activity. We researched dozens of pop-up canopies, evaluating them on protection from the elements, durability, assembly, and value to help provide you with portable shade outside. Number 1. YourMac Standard 10 by 10. The YourMac Standard 10 by 10 offers 100 square feet of sun protection and a peak height of 11 feet. Very high-quality materials were used to produce this shelter, making it our hands-down choice for the best recreational canopy tent on the market. Despite its size and weight, the YourMax is quite easy to set up and take down. In fact, one of our testers easily solo deployed it on several occasions. Top-grade canopy textiles, quick-release tabs, reinforced trusses, and a beefy steel frame allow the YourMax to tower over other models we tested. It makes easy work blocking the sun, stands firm in the wind, and is impervious to rainwater. It's a perfect shelter for any outdoor activity, but we feel it excels in settings that include commerce, command posts, campgrounds, and outdoor sports. The major disadvantage of the YourMax is its size and weight. It is the heaviest shelter on our list. This weight makes it somewhat difficult to load and unload out of a vehicle, but once on the ground, the tank-grade roller bag allows it to be moved with ease, especially if you have 2 people. However, fitting it into a compact car may still be a challenge. The price tag may also be too high for some shoppers, but we feel the quality increase is worth it if you can swing it. Pros: sets up quickly, waterproof, built to last, quality roller bag, adjustable. Cons: heavy, expensive. Number 2. Cool Spot Pop-Up Instant Gazebo. Your backyard's aesthetic shouldn't suffer because you decided to use a pop-up canopy. The Cool Spot Pop-Up Instant Gazebo is a great option if aesthetics are your main concern. The pop-up gazebo folds up easily, and the fabric roof and mesh walls let in plenty of light while still keeping bugs out. When not in use, the mesh netting can be tied back to the pole like a curtain. It weighs only 37 pounds and comes with its own carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. Thanks to the 121 square feet of coverage that the 11-foot by 11-foot roof offers, there is space for 6 people. The canopy's Oxford fabric provides up to 99% protection from the sun's harmful rays thanks to its UPF 50+ UV sun protection rating. The powder coating on the gazebo protects it from rust and fire. When it's particularly warm outside, the Cool Spot vent opens up to let in a cooler breeze. Additionally, this provides a vent for the wind to pass through, making it less likely to blow away. If beige isn't your thing, you can pick from one of 7 other fashionable colors that will still allow you to match your existing outdoor gear. There is a 1-year warranty on all components of the gazebo from Cool Spot in case you aren't satisfied with your purchase. Pros: mesh screen keeps bugs out, offers UV protection, lightweight and portable. Cons: not as sturdy as permanent gazebos. Number 3. Sun Ninja Pop-Up Beach Tent. Do you want an easy-to-set-up beach canopy that won't weigh you down? Check out the pop-up beach canopy from Sun Ninja. This beach shade is big enough to give you and your family plenty of shade, but it's also small and light enough to move around easily. We recently tested the beach shade and had a great time with it overall. The product's ultra-low weight and included transport case made it a breeze to lug around. All the equipment you'll need is right here, and the sand itself is the most important tool. To set up your tent, simply fill the sandbags located in each of the 4 corners. Thanks to the clear instructions, our tent was set up and ready to go in less than 10 minutes. The canopy is resistant to tearing and stretching, making it durable enough to withstand frequent use. It works as well on the beach as on the grass or the pavement. When we tested it, there were strong winds, but with a little extra work, we were able to get it up. However, the canopy shouldn't be used when there's a strong wind, as this could cause the poles to snap or the shade to fall over. Despite our wish for the poles to be more robust, we still think this is worthwhile because of its compact design and simple operation. We recommend this beach shade product with the caveat that its user should be aware of its limitations in strong winds. Pros: includes a carrying bag, easy to install, offers plenty of shade. Cons: poles are a bit flimsy. Number 4. ABCCANOPY Pop-Up Canopy Tent. For the greatest variety of options in a top-performing canopy tent, our top pick is the ABCCANOPY Patio Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The 10-foot by 10-foot canopy is a favorite for most people who want to provide shelter for a table or 2. It can accommodate up to 10 people in your backyard, at a tailgate, or at the beach. Setup requires 2 people, but 1 person can easily transport the folded tent by using the wheeled storage bag. This is a relatively simple tent, but it's made with top-quality materials. The fabric is treated to provide protection from UV rays and is also waterproof. The steel frame is strong enough to stand against wind and rain, although we recommend using the included sandbags, guide ropes, and stakes to secure it even better. The frame is all one piece, making it easy to set up and reducing the likelihood of damage and wear over time. This canopy comes in 6 sizes and 22 colors. If you want to customize it to support your favorite sports team or just have a favorite color, this is the choice for you. While the company does not offer personalization, you can take the canopy to a local company that does screen printing or embroidery. You can also display a banner using the reinforced banner attachment holes. Pros: heavy-duty fabric and frame, wheeled storage bag, UV protection, color and size options. Cons: no extra features. Number 5. Mobihome Beach Canopy Sun Shade. The Mobihome Beach Canopy Sun Shelter is my pick for the best budget canopy tent because it has good reviews and won't cost you an arm and a leg. This small pop-up canopy tent with slanted legs has an instant setup. All the poles are pre-attached and you simply pull one center pulley to extend the legs. The frame on this pop-up canopy tent is made of powder-coated steel and the stakes are steel as well. The powder coating helps prevent rust, which can be a problem with steel frames. Unfortunately, they're a little loosey-goosey on the fabric specs. You get what you pay for and all that, so all I can say is that the fabric is polyester and water resistant. The tent weighs just under 14 pounds and is easily transported to the beach or backyard. Despite the somewhat smaller floor space compared with the other pop-up canopies on this list, there's still enough room to seat about 4 adults. Pros: instant setup pop-up canopy, easiest pop-up canopy for one person to set up, cheaply priced, optional sidewall. Cons: fabric quality may be questionable.